Hi folks, this is Max from Nexus10root.com. Today I'm going to show you how to root your Nexus 10 tablet on a Linux computer. Before we begin, this rooting process will erase everything on your internal storage, so make a backup of everything. I highly recommend you do, if you're going to root your Nexus 10, do it like in the first hour you get it, or the first day, or the second day. So let's do this. Very easy to do. First, we're going to go ahead and put our Nexus 10 into fastboot bootloader mode. To do that, go ahead and hold down the volume up, volume down, both buttons, and the power button. So that's 3 buttons. Hold it down for about 10 seconds, and if you keep holding it down, it'll reboot into the fastboot bootloader mode, where you can let your hands go and go ahead and connect a micro USB cable to your Linux computer. I'll be using Ubuntu here. And then let's go to your computer. Next, we'll need to download a file. So go to I'll have the links where you can go, or you can just go to download androidrom.com. rom.com, and you can browse to Nexus 10 here. Let me see here. Nexus 10 right there. I'll click on it, and also download Nexus 10 root new.zip, the second one there, and give it 5 seconds here, and it will download the files you need. So let's go ahead and download, and it should take not too long. Should take like a minute. I'll be right back when this is done downloading. There we go. It's almost done. 3 more seconds. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and unzip it. You can probably just click on it and go ahead and extract it. Alright, and let's extract it to another folder. It's called, let's just call it Nexus 10 root new. Alright, and extract. Alright, close it up. Alright. Next, what we're going to do is open up a terminal. Go ahead and type, oops, sorry, let me adjust this here. If you go up here, I have the older one, user here, just type terminal, and you'll be able to open up a terminal here. And let's zoom in here. And we're going to type cd downloads, enter, and type cd Nexus 10 root new, like that. Alright, that's where we unzip those files to. Next, we're going to type fastboot, oops, sorry, /fastboot -linux. Actually, you know what, let's do this. Let's change the permissions to make sure we have executable. So type chmod space 755 space star and hit enter. Alright, next type /fastboot -linux and type OEM space unlock. This will unlock your bootloader. Again, this will erase everything on your Nexus 10 device. So go ahead and do that. And if you get some kind of error like that, you might want to type hold Control C and add sudo in front of it. Alright, and enter your password. And now it worked. So that's another thing you might have to do. That's why I made this video, in case you run into those kind of problems. Go ahead and click on yes, and go ahead and hit the power button again. And this will reboot your Nexus 10, and also you'll have to re-sign in. So I'll be back when this completely boots in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and we'll go on from there. Alright folks, so you should be here. Go ahead and sign in, and then connect it to your computer. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and download a file to your Nexus 10. Go to download androidrom.com. Whoops. Download Android. Alright, go here and go down to tools, right? And then go to SuperSU and download the latest version. As of this video is this SuperSU 0.98, and go ahead and download. This should take like 5 seconds. Alright, that will download, and it should say download complete. Whoops. Then we're all good to go. Next, what you want to do is basically reboot into fast bootloader. So go ahead and hold down volume up, volume down, and the power button. And wait a second here. And you should be back in fast bootloader mode. Go ahead and connect it back to your computer via a micro USB cable. And then let's go back to our computer. Next, you're gonna go ahead and type sudo space /fastboot -linux space flash space recovery space. Make sure you get that part right. And then type recovery blah blah blah.img. What I do is I type the first couple letters, and if you hit tab, it'll fill it in for you. And go ahead and hit enter. And this will send the recovery. You should have Clockwork Mod recovery installed now. We're pretty much done. Let's go back to the tablet. Alright, we don't need the cable anymore, so take it out, and let's focus on the last part of it. Now we have flash Clockwork Mod recovery. That's what we just did. Go ahead and go to recovery mode and hit the power button. This will boot you back into Clockwork Mod recovery, where you can flash that file you just installed, or you just downloaded. Go ahead and go to install zip from SD card and choose zip from SD card, and go find the file. It should be under 0 and also under download. If you download it, there you go, cwm blah blah.zip. That's the rooting SuperSU super user files, and you get a nice message down here that it's complete. Go back, reboot system now. You should have a fully rooted Nexus 10. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Getting very nice. And also, you can easily unroot it back to stock firmware if you want to. And also, you can reinstall stock recovery to receive OTA updates. Clockwork Mod recovery should let you also receive the updates and install it. There we go. So you have SuperSU. Go ahead and download any app you want, like Titanium Backup app. Titanium Backup app. And if you run it, you should get super user permissions, and then you're all good to go. So let's download it real quick, and we're almost done. There we go. So if you get that, you have full root, and you have Clockwork Mod recovery, so you can back up, restore ROM and stuff, and I also have a guide on how to use all of that. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button here, subscribe button up there, and if you have a Nexus 10, don't forget to sign up for my email list at nexus10root.com. We update you once a week with ROM of the week, tips, hacks, and more. And you know, we'll have more rooting methods. Also, Windows method is already up, and also I'll have Mac method up soon, so check the description. I should have it up by the time you see this video. Anyway, thanks you guys. That's how you root your Nexus 10. This will work on any Android Nexus 10. Alright, see y'all later.